you doing today, Samuel?
Doing all right, Frank. How you doing?
Doing great.
All right, so Frank, I'm looking into starting my own supplement brand, but I can't decide. Should I go with a stock formula or my own custom formula? Which one do you recommend?
Perfect place to start. While creating your own custom formula has its advantages, we don't recommend breaking into the industry this way, mainly for minimum order quantity and timing reasons. You can easily break into the market with one of our 300 plus stock formulas. Our products are already vetted and researched to be marketable against the Amazon bestseller or be the world's first in its category, like our world's first colon cleanse gummy. Stock products can be delivered in 2 to 4 weeks from printed label reception. Custom products, depending on the delivery method, may vary in lead time. A custom capsule product could be produced in 6 to 8 weeks. A custom gummy project will take 12 to 14 weeks after the sample's approved.
All right, so I'm thinking about doing a stock product. What is the MOQ in the stock products?
Most of our stock products start at just 1,000 bottles. These are items we mass produce and keep on hand. We do have formulas on our website that are more specialty, or we prefer to produce them fresh due to the materials within the product. And these would have slightly higher minimums. If you send the SKU number over to your representative, they'll let you know the exact pricing and MOQ for that product.
Okay, so you said the MOQ is typically 1,000. So does that mean I can take 4 different SKUs, 4 different products, and then split the 1,000 between those 4 different products?
With the amount of paperwork and testing, as well as the way our packaging line is set up that goes into an order, it needs to be 1,000 bottles per SKU. These items aren't pre-packaged in blank white bottles and lids. While they are stock products, you still got to customize your packaging so you get the right feel and aesthetic for your brand.
All right, so can you give me an idea of what the MOQ is on a custom product?
Our MOQ for custom capsules or tablets is 150,000 pieces. So if there's 60 capsules in a bottle, the minimum would be 2,500 bottles. The MOQ for custom liquids is 2,500 to 5,000, depending on the complexity of the formula. The MOQ for custom soft gels is 300,000 pieces, so 5,000 bottles of a 60 count. When it comes to gummies, once again, depending on the complexity and the ingredients in the formula, it can range between 500,000 to 1 million gummies. MOQ on a stock powder, when it's flavored, is typically around 1,500 bottles.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna stick with the stock formula. How much would it be to get started with that?
That question depends on a few different factors, but generally our stock formulas range from $4 to $12 a bottle, depending on count per bottle, quantity of bottles, and which SKU you choose.
So is the packaging factored into that? And what kind of packaging do you guys offer?
The packaging will vary slightly depending on what you choose. When you send the information over to your representative, they're gonna quote you on what stock. So if you're looking at our 1,000 milligram ACV, they're gonna quote you on a 300 cc clear bottle with a white child-resistant lid. We do have other colors, sizes, and shapes to offer, so if you want something different, you just need to let them know.
Okay, gotcha. All right, so my next question is, do you guys test your formulas, and what does the testing process look like?
Great question. So it's very important nowadays that everything's tested from start to finish. We test all the raw materials upon reception for identity, potency if applicable, micro and heavy metal. We test the finished product for the same parameters. That allows us to maintain our GMP status, FDA registration, and place a new client like you under our new $2 million liability policy as additionally insured.
Nice, nice. All right. So if we were to move forward today, what are the lead times like?
Our standard lead time for stock formulas for a new customer is 2 to 4 weeks from label receptions, while a reorder is based upon if we already have labels in our possession, and that would be 4 to 6 weeks from when you place your order.
So would you guys be able to ship domestically and internationally?
Of course we could ship your order domestically. However, for international, as we don't handle international logistics, we can provide you with all the documentation you need. We're experts in exporting to other countries through their approval processes. You'll want to work with a freight forwarder to get into the country of your choice.
All right, so in terms of getting on Amazon, can you guys help me out with that?
Oh, of course. About 70% of our clients sell their products through Amazon. We give you any documentation they may be looking for. We're here to help you build your supplement brand better than the competition. So we're going to be by your side, making sure you are set up for success. Whatever type of quality control documents, we're partnered with an ISO certified laboratory to get you the test results they would require, and we can provide you our current GMP statement for our manufacturing processes.
Gotcha. So also, I think I want to know if you guys can help me out with the marketing, social media, websites, design.
We definitely recommend that you to expand out more than just Amazon, so you're on the right track. We would say something to build your brand and just having good products nowadays is having the right look and aesthetic. You should build out a website that is responsive, fun, and easy to use, as well as maintain and update your social media accounts. We do have a marketing team that offers their services to our customers. We get you in touch with them, see if the pricing works out for you, and you can take next steps from there.
How do I get started?
Next steps would be to get you set up in our accounting system. We'll send you over a new customer form so we can get information like your company name, address, contacts, and method of payment. We accept check, wire transfer, even credit cards. Once you suggest us a SKU number and the amount of bottles you want to purchase, we'll put you in contact with one of our sales administrators and get you ready to rock.
All right, let's do it.
Thanks, Sam.
Appreciate it. Thank you.